welcome to Anbaalaya. Let us discuss Sainik School Entrance Exam to Class 9, Paper 2020. Let us discuss Paper 1, Section 1, Mathematics. The first question, the value of minus 3 by 2 into 4 by 5 plus 9 by 5 into minus 10 by 3 minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Let us find its value. Listen here. Minus 3 by 2 into 4 by 5. So I can cancel 2 goes in 4 2 times. 2 goes in 4 2 times. Or I have just multiplied. 3 4s are minus 12. 2 5s are 10. Plus 5 goes in minus 10. 2 times, 3 goes in 9, 3 times, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, I can't cancel anything, so I multiply 1 into 3, 3 by 8. So I get here minus 12 by 10, plus into minus 6, minus 3 by 8. So here the LCM between 10 and 8 is 40. So in 40, 10 goes 4 times, 4 into minus 12, minus 48. 40 into 6, minus 240. 40, 8 goes 5 times, minus 3 into 5, minus 15. All are minus numbers. On adding, you get minus 303 by 40. Let us see in the option. Option D, minus 303 by 40. Second question, the abscissa of a point is its distance from the dash. Abscissa of a point is its distance from the y-axis. Option C. Third question, what is the value of m if 2 by 9 power 3 into 2 by 9 power minus 6 equal to 2 by 9 power 2m minus 1. 2 by 9 power 3 into 2 by 9 power minus 6 equal to 2 by 9 power 2m minus 1. Law of exponents says that when base are same, powers are different. When you multiply, you just add the powers. Also here you see all the bases are same. So throughout I cancel all the bases. We need to consider only the powers. So we need to add the powers. Same base, add the powers. 3 plus minus 6. 3 plus minus 6 is equal to, the power here is 2m minus 1. Plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. 3 minus 6 equal to 2m minus 1. 3 minus 6. Unlike symbols, you subtract them. 6 minus 3 is 3. And symbol of, consider only the number, symbol of the bigger number. When you consider only the numerical part, 6 is greater and its symbol is minus. So you put minus 3 equal to 2m minus 1. When you transport minus 1 to this side, it becomes plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 2m. Minus 3 and plus 1. Unlike symbols, subtract them. 3 minus 1, 2. And symbol of the bigger numeral, 3. The symbol is minus. So minus 2 is equal to 2m. So m equal to minus 2. 2 goes this side. When 2 is transported, multiplication becomes division. So m is equal to minus 2 divided by 2 minus 1. Therefore m is equal to minus 1. Option C, m equal to minus 1. Fourth question, if a number when divided by 4 leaves remainder 2 or 3, then which one is the correct statement? A number is divided by 4 and you get remainder 2 or 3. So what can you say about the number? Option A, the number is not a perfect square. Option B, the number is a perfect square. Option C, the number is a prime number. Option D, none of the above. So when you talk about perfect squares are divisible by 4. Note the first point. Perfect squares are divisible by 4. Even perfect squares. Also note, even perfect squares are divisible by 4. What about the odd perfect squares? When divided by 4, they leave remainder 1. Look at these points. Every even perfect square is divisible by 4. Every odd perfect square when divided by 4 leaves remainder 1. The number is not a perfect square. From this, because they say the remainder is 2 or 3. If it is a even perfect square, it is divisible by 4. If it is an odd perfect square, definitely the remainder would have been 1. But here the remainder is 2 or 3. Therefore, the number is definitely not a perfect square. What about the chance of the number becoming a prime number? Let us see here. In this case, the number is divided by 4. So the divisor is 4. The remainder, they say it is 2 or 3. Let the quotient be p because we do not know what is the quotient. The number can be like divisor into quotient plus remainder, that is 4p plus 2, or the number can be 4p plus 3. This is the divisor, this is the quotient plus remainder. So suppose you take the quotient p to be 1, then the number is 4 into 1 4 plus 2 6, or 4 into 1 4 plus 3 7. The number can be 6 or 7. In this case 7 is a prime number. Suppose if the quotient p is 2, then the number is, you substitute p as 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, or 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11. The number can be 10 or 11, where 11 is a prime number. Suppose if the quotient is 3, the number can be 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14, or 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 15. The number can be 14 or 15. In this case, both are not prime numbers. So in analyzing, the number cannot be prime number. The number cannot be a square number. So we can say out of the option, now we have to choose the best one. First option, the number is not a perfect square. This option is correct. The number is a perfect square. This option is absolutely wrong. The number is a prime number. No, in all the examples that we saw, there are chances where the number is not a prime number. So none of the above. So the best option is option A. The number is not a perfect square. Fifth question. The value of root 0.2304 plus root 0.1764 by root 0.2304 minus root 0.1764. First, let us find out the square root of 0.2304 and 0.1764. Square root of 0.2304, look at this, 0 here, so I put 0 and point, because starting itself I start after the decimal, so I put 0 point. Now pair the numbers to pair the numbers from left side. From left side you pair. After the decimal point, you have to pair the numbers from left side, left to right. So 23 is the first pair. The nearest square to 23 is 16. 4 4s are 16. Because when you take 5, it will become 5 5s are 25, which is greater than 23. So I take 4 4s are 16. 23 minus 16, 7. Bring down the next pair, 0 4. Now add 4 plus 4, 8. You have to put 8, you have to put a number here. With the same number you should multiply. So 88 into 8. I got 8 as 4 plus 4, 8. Now I should put, suppose if I put 82 into 2. If I take 3, 83 into 3. So I take 88 into 8. 88 into 8 is 704. Remainder 0. Subtract remainder 0. So the square root of 0.2304 is 0.48. And the square root of 0.1764. First I start after the decimal. So put 0 point. Pair the numbers. 17. Nearest square is 4 4s are 16. 17 minus 16, 1. Bring down the next pair, 64. 164. Here 4 plus 4, 8. I will take 2. 82 into 2, I get 164. On subtraction, I get 0. So the square root of 0.2304 is 0.48 and square root of 0.1764 is 0.42. And in the question, they have said sum of the square roots divided by difference of the square root. That is what given in the question. So 0.48 plus 0.42 by 0.48 minus 0.42. On adding, I get 0.90. On subtraction, I get 0.06. See here, sorry, there I made a mistake and I have rewritten here. 0.48 plus 0.42 is equal to 0.90. 0.48 minus 0.42 is equal to 0.06. See, look at the denominator. There are 2 decimal places. So multiply 100 by 100. To remove the decimal places, multiply 100 by 100. When you multiply by 100, point moves 2 place right. So it becomes 90. Here also point moves 2 place right. So it becomes 6. 90 divided by 6, lowest form 30 by 2, which is 15. So the answer is 15. Fifth question, option A, 15. Sixth question, 3 numbers are in the ratio 2:3:4. The sum of their cubes is 33,957. The numbers are, actually 3 numbers are in the ratio 2:3:4. Sum of their cubes, whenever the ratios are given, whenever they are saying 3 numbers are in the ratio 2:3:4. So you have to take the 3 numbers as 2x, 3x, 4x. And sum of their cubes is given as 33,957. We shall solve the sum. Given the ratios as 2:3:4, so the numbers are 2x, 3x, 4x. Sum of their cubes, their cube 2x the whole cube, 3x the whole cube, 4x their whole cube. And sum of their cubes is 33,956. 2x the whole cube is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8x cube. And here 3x cube, 3x the whole cube is 27x cube. 4x the whole cube is 64x cube. And we get, when you add all, you get 99x cube is equal to 33,957. X cube is equal to 33,957 divided by 99. X cube is equal to 343. X cube is equal to 343 can be written as 7 cube. So cube gets cancelled. X is equal to 7. So the numbers are 2x, 3x, 4x, which means 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28. The numbers are 14, 21 and 28. Seventh question. Find the least square number divisible by each one of 8, 9 and 10. Square number, that number must be divisible by 8, 9 and 10. I do the prime factorization of 8, 9 and 10 and I get the prime factors as 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. These are the prime factors that I get. I need to make a square number. So I pair, when I pair I get a 2, there is a pair, and 3, there is a pair. This 2 does not have a pair and this 5 does not have a pair. So I need to make a pair. So I multiply one more 2 and I multiply one more 5. So the LCM, I find the LCM of 8, 9, 10. LCM of 8, 9, 10 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So I get LCM is equal to 360. But 360 is not a square number. What are the, which factor does not have a pair? 2 does not have a pair, 5 does not have a pair. So I multiply a 2, I multiply a 5, so I multiply 2 5s are 10. So LCM 360 into 2 into 5, because 1 2 does not have a pair and 1 5 does not have a pair. So I multiply 2 into 5, 360 into 10, I get LCM 3600. Now this is a square number and this number is divisible by 8, 9 and 10. So seventh one, answer C, 3600. Eighth question. If the number 148101A095 is a multiple of 11. Where A is a digit, find the value of A. You know what is the divisibility test for 11? I will show you. See, if a number is divisible by 11, sum of the alternate digits, you take the alternate digits, digits at the odd place and digits at the even place. These are digits at the odd place. 1, third place, fifth place, seventh place, ninth place. Digits at the even place, second, fourth, sixth, eighth and 10th. You take the sum of the digits in the odd place. 1 plus 8 plus 0 plus A plus 9. I get 18 plus A. Now take digits in the even place. 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5. I get 11. And after taking the sum of the digits in the odd place and sum of the digits in the even place, you find their difference. 18 plus A minus 11. The difference must be, this difference must be either 0 or multiple of 11. The difference must be either 0 or multiple of 11. So I get 18 minus 11 is 7. 7 plus A equal to. So anyhow this sum cannot be 0. It is more than 0. So more than 0, which is the next nearest multiple of 11? 11. So the nearest multiple of 11 to 7 is 11. So 7 plus A is equal to 11. So A can be 11. 7 when transported becomes subtraction, minus. So 11 minus 7, 4. So the digit A is 4. Option B, 4. Ninth one. Find the value of A and B in BA into B3 equal to 5, 7A. Which means you put a digit here, you multiply with 3 and the same digit you get here. So using common sense, listen here, 5 3s are 15, where you put 5 and carry 1 here. So you put 5, you get 5. So A is absolutely 5, no doubt in that. So there are two options which shows A 5. A equal to 5, A equal to 5. And in these two options, they have shown A 2. No, so I am not going to take option C and option D. I will be taking either option A or option B. And the next one we have to apply and check. We shall check it. I checked for B equal to 2. A equal to 5. Now 25 into 23, I get 575. 5, 7, A, 575. So we get A equal to 5 and B equal to 2. 10th question. Find the value of Z for which the number 471Z8 is divisible by 9. If a number is divisible by 9, then the sum of the digits of the number must be a multiple of 9. We shall apply and see that. Find the sum of the digits of this number. 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus Z plus 8 is 20 plus Z. So after 20, which is the next nearest multiple of 9? 27. So 20 plus Z is equal to 27. So Z must be 7. Z equal to 7. 11th question. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 64 root 3 centimeter square, then side of the triangle is dash. Area of the equilateral triangle is given by the formula root 3 by 4a square. We shall equate it. The area root 3 by 4a square is equal to 64 root 3. Same values on both sides of the equal to symbol gets cancelled. So root 3 gets cancelled. A square by 4 is equal to 64. I take square root on both the side. A square by 4 square root and square root of 64. Square root of a square is a and square root of 4 is 2. A by 2 equal to square root of 64 is 8. So a equal to division. 2 when it is transported, it becomes multiplication. So 2 8s are 16. A is the side of the equilateral triangle, which is 16 centimeter. 12th question. the value of 4m square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square by 2m plus a minus b is dash. See, this is the question. In this question, I am going to group and take separately 4m square. This part is a separate group, minus a square plus 2ab minus b square by 2m plus a minus b. So I will just shift this. I am going to take 4m square to the last. So I'll write this first, minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. And I'm going to shift plus 4m square to the last. And the denominator is same, 2m plus a minus b. See, if I change the symbol of a square and b square, I get an identity. I am going to change the symbol throughout. I can't change the symbol of any particular term. So I am going to change the symbol throughout. Minus a square becomes plus a square, plus 2ab becomes minus 2ab, minus b square becomes plus b square, plus 4m square becomes minus 4m square by 2m plus a minus b. So here I am going to group it separately. I get the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square minus 2m square I am writing as 4m square I am writing as 2m the whole square by 2m plus a minus b. This is of the form a square minus b square, which says a plus b into a minus b. So I get a square minus b square is equal to a plus b. A is what? A minus b plus b is plus 2m into a is a minus b minus 2m by 2m plus a minus b. Here, listen, plus 2m plus 2m plus a minus b. See, this is minus 2m. So I can't compare this. This is different. These two are same. How do you say? Each term is same in this concept. Plus a, minus b, plus 2m, plus 2m. So these two gets cancelled. These two gets cancelled. So the answer is a minus b minus 2m. But we started the sum by changing the symbols. So final answer, we will change the symbol and give. So in this answer, when I change the symbol, plus a becomes minus a, minus b becomes plus b, minus 2m becomes plus 2m. So write in the standard form plus 2m, because plus number we write first normally. Plus 2m minus a plus b, which is there in the option. 2m minus a plus b. Option A, 2m minus a plus b. 13th question. The ratio between the speed of two trains A and B is 3:5. Ratio, which means 3x, values 3x, 5x. Speed of train A, 3x. Speed of train B, 5x. If train B runs 300 km in 4 hours, the speed of train A will be dash. See, speed of train A 3x, speed of train B 5x. Distance is equal to 300 km. Time taken by train B is equal to 4 hours. So speed of train B is equal to distance divided by time, 300 divided by 4, 75 km per hour. See, 75 km per hour. And what is the speed of train B? We have taken 5x. 5x is equal to 75 km per hour, which means x is equal to 75 divided by 5, 15 km per hour. Speed of train A is given as 3x. X value is 15. So 3 into 15, 45 km per hour. Speed of train A is equal to 45 km per hour. 14th question. 2 years ago, Dilip was 3 times as old as his son, and 2 years hence, after 2 years, twice his age will be equal to 5 times the age of his son. The present age of son and Dilip are. 2 years ago, before 2 years, Dilip was 3 times as old as his son. 2 years, after 2 years, twice Dilip's age is equal to 5 times the son age. The present age of son and Dilip are that. I take age before 2 years. Son's age be x. Dilip's age 3 times his son's age. So 3x. So what is present age? This is age before 2 years. So present age you add plus 2. Dilip age is equal to, before 2 years he was 3x. So present age plus 2. Son's age before 2 years x. So present age son is equal to x plus 2. After 2 years, age after 2 years, present age plus 2. Dilip's age is equal to 3x plus 2 plus 2, 3x plus 4. Son's age is equal to x plus 2 is son's present age, again plus 2, x plus 4. So after 2 years, they say that Dilip's age is equal to twice Dilip's age. Twice Dilip's age is equal to 5 times his son's age. So 2 into Dilip's age is equal to 3x plus 4. 2 into 3x plus, because this is 3x plus 4 is age after 2 years. So twice age after 2 years of Dilip. 2 into 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into son's age after 2 years, x plus 4. So 2 3s are 6x plus 2 4s are 8 equal to 5x. 5 into x 5x plus 5 into 4 20. So when I transport 5x this side, it becomes minus 6x minus 5x equal to plus 20 plus 8. When it is transported, it becomes minus 8. 6x minus 5x is x. 20 minus 8 is 12. So we get x is equal to 12. Once when we get x is equal to 12, we can find present age. Dilip's present age is given by the equation 3x plus 2, that is 3 into 12 plus 2, 36 plus 2, 38 years. Son's present age, x plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14 years. So Dilip is 38, son is 14. So the answer is 14 years, 38 years. Option A, 14 years, 38 years. 15. The probability of getting a 7 in a single thrown of dice is dash. Actually, in a dice, there is no 7. So the probability is 0. There is no chance. So you take probability B 0. 16th one. A's income is 60% more than that of B. By what percent is B's income less than A's? Let B's income be rupees 100. So A's income is equal to 60% more than that of B. So B's plus 100 plus 60 percentage of 100 is what? 100 plus 60. 60 by 100 into 100, 60. So 100 plus 60 is A's income rupees 160. Okay, when B's income is 100, A's income is 160. B's income is less than A by rupees 60. 100 minus 60 and 160 minus 60, 60. See, percentage B's income less than that of A is equal to, what is the difference between B's income from A? 60 by A's income 160 into 100. Increase or decrease in value by original value into 100 will give you the percentage. So, B's income is less than A by 60 by, we are comparing with A. 160 is A's income into 100. On cancelling, 0 zeros cancel, 4 goes 4 times, 4 goes 25 times. Now 3 goes 2 goes 2 times, 2 goes 3 times, 3 into 25, 75 by 2 is equal to 37, 1 by 2 percentage. So we can say B's income is less than A by 37.5 percentage. Option B, 37.5 percentage. By joining the points minus 3, 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, 4, which of the following is obtained? First, let us make a rough Cartesian plane and plot these points, and we shall try to join these points. This is a rough Cartesian plane, x-axis, y-axis, origin 0 and right side plus numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, left side minus number 1, 2, 3, 4, upper top plus numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, bottom minus numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. See, now I need to plot minus 3, 2. Minus 3 x-axis and 2 in the y-axis. This is the point, first point. Second point, minus 3, 3, minus 3. minus 3, comma, y-axis minus 3. This is minus 3, comma, minus 3 point. Minus 3, comma, 4. This is minus 3, comma, here is 4. So when you join these three dots, you get a line, straight line parallel to y-axis. You get a straight line parallel to y-axis. We shall spot that in the option. We get a straight line parallel to y-axis, option C. 18th question. The number of times a particular observation occur in a given data is called its dash. The number of times a data occurs is called its frequency. Option A, frequency. 19. By selling 33 meter of a cloth, a draper loses an amount equal to the selling price of 3 meter. See, a man sells 33 meter of cloth and he lost the SP of 3 meter. Find his gain or loss percentage. See, let selling price of 1 meter cloth be rupee 1. So what's the selling price of 33 meter of cloth is equal to 33 into 1, rupees 33. They say loss equal to SP of 3 meter cloth. SP of 1 meter cloth is 1. So SP of 3 meter cloth is 3. So loss is equal to rupees 3. So SP of 33 meter cloth is rupees 33. Loss is rupees 3. So CP of 33 meter of cloth is equal to SP plus loss 33 plus 3 rupees 36. So CP we are assuming as rupees 36. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. 3 by 36 into 100. 3 by 36 is 1 by 12. So here 4 goes 3 times 4 goes 25 times 25 divided by 3 is equal to loss percentage 8 1 by 3 percentage. Here it is option B, loss 8 1 by 3 percentage. 20. 3 cubes of metal whose edges are 6 cm, 8 cm, 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single cube. The edge of the new cube is actually volume 1 plus volume 2 plus volume 3 are added and we get a bigger volume and we need to find the edge of that bigger volume. We want volume 1 plus volume 2 volume 3 equal to bigger volume. Volume 1 side is 6, second one side is 8, third one the side is 10. So 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube is equal to 216 plus 512 plus 1000 equal to 1728. The edge of the new cube is cube root of, edge is equal to cube root of volume. So cube root of 1728 we get 12 centimeter. I did through prime factorization. I prime factorized 1728 and from each group of 3 number we take a number. So the cube root is 2 into 2 into 3, 12 centimeter. The volume, the edge of the bigger cube is 12 centimeter. Question number 21. Find the single discount equivalent to 2 successive discounts of 20% and 10%. 2 successive discounts are given and we need to find out the single discount. There is a formula. Single discount equal to 100 minus inside the bracket the products. 100 minus discount 1 by 100 into 100 minus discount 2 by 100 into 100. So we get 100 minus discount 1 is 20. Discount 1 is 20. So 100 minus 20, 80 by 100. Discount 2 is 10. 100 minus 10 is 90 by 100 into 100. 100 cancels and these two zeros gets cancelled here. 8 9s are 72. 100 minus 72 and the single discount is equal to 28%. Question number 22. Which of the following is not a case of direct variation? You know what's a direct variation? Both the quantities increases or both the quantities decreases. Indirect variation, when one quantity increases, the other decreases. Look at the first. Here we need to find out which is not a direct variation. That means we have to find out the indirect variation where one quantity increases, the other one decreases. Option A. The number of sheets of same kind are increased when their total weight is increased. Of course, sheets increases, weight also increases. This is direct variation. More quantity petrol is required to travel more distance with a fixed speed. Of course, more petrol, more distance, both increase. This is direct variation. More fees would be collected if number of students increases in a class. Yes, more students, more fees, both increases. This is direct variation. Time taken will be less if number of workers is increased to complete the same work. Yes. When more workers are engaged, less time is taken to complete the work. Workers increases, time decreases. This is indirect variation. So this is not direct variation. Option D is the answer. 23. This is an identity based question. If A plus B plus C equal to 9, AB plus BC plus CA equal to 23, then the value of A square plus B square plus C square is equal to dash. The identity says A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus AC. So A plus B plus C is given as 9. So 9 the whole square is equal to, we do not know, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus AC is given in the question as 23. So we get 9 9s are 81 equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into 23, 46. So A square plus B square plus C square is equal to plus 46. When it is transported, it becomes minus 46. So 81 minus 46 is equal to 35. Hence the value of A square plus B square plus C square is 35. 24th question. On dividing 200 into two parts. We are dividing 200 into two parts. 1/3 of the first part and 1/2 of the second part are equal. The larger of the parts is dash. See, I divide 200 into two parts. Let the first part be x. The other part is balance of 200. 200 minus x, because one part is x, the rest is 200 minus x. So here they say 1/3 of first part, 1/3 of x equal to 1/2 of the second part. 1/2 of the second part is 200 minus x. So here 1/3 of x is equal to x by 3 equal to, when you multiply 1/2 inside, 200 into 1/2, 200 minus x divided by 2. So I take 200 minus x by 2. So I cross multiply here, x into 2, 2x, 3 into 200 minus x. So I get 2x is equal to 3 into 200, 600, 3 into minus x, minus 3, minus 3x. I transport minus 3x to this side. It becomes 2x plus 3x equal to 600. 5x is equal to 600. X is equal to 600 divided by 5, where x is equal to 120. So the two parts are, first part x 120. Second part 200 minus x, 200 minus 120, which is 80. The larger part is 120. 25th question. On selling a fan for rupees 810, Sunil gains 8%. For how much did he purchase it? SP is 810, gain percentage is 8%, and CP, we can apply the formula. Formula says CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percentage. 810 into 100 by 100 plus 808. And ninth table goes in both. I did it here. Ninth table goes here 90. Here it goes 12 times. Again on cutting I get 3 table 4 times, 3 table 30 times. And 4 goes in 125 times. 30 into 25 rupees 750. Well, question number 26. Find the value of x. 3 power 2x into 3 power x plus 3 into 3 power 4 minus x equal to root 3 the whole power 10. We shall see how to find the value of x. See, I copy everything. 3 power 2x into 3 power x plus 3 into 3 power 4 minus x equal to, this 10 I am writing as 2 into 5. Power to the power, we multiply the power. So root 3 square, the whole power 5. 2 5s are 10. So now same base and multiplication, add all the powers. 3 power 2x plus x plus 3 plus 4x, 4 minus x. I added all the powers, equal to root 3 the whole square. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 3 power 5. Okay, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 power 5 I wrote here. Now same base, cancel the same base. 2x plus x, 4x. Sorry, 2x plus x, 3x. 3x minus x. Can you see? 2x plus x, 3x minus x, 2x. 3 plus 4 plus 7 equal to 3 power 5. Same base I cancelled. Okay. So we get 2x plus 7 is equal to 5. So 2x is equal to plus 7 goes to that side. Transportation, change the symbol. So 2x is equal to 5 minus 7. 2x is equal to 5 minus 7 minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. Because minus 2 comes x here, 2 comes this side, minus 2 divided by 2 is x is equal to minus 1. So the value of x is minus 1. Option A, minus 1, 27. Cube root of minus a power 6 into b power 3 into c power 21 by c power 9 into a power 15. So I copied the question. Cube root can be written as power 1 by 3. Whole power 1 by 3 because it is cube root. So I wrote minus a power 6 into b power 3 into c power 21 by c power 9 into a power 15. The whole power 1 by 3. When there is whole power, you multiply each power by 1 by 3. You multiply 6 into 1 by 3. So minus a power 6 into 1 by 3, 2. Into b power 3 into 1 by 3 gets cancelled, power 1. So I write b. C power 21 into 1 by 3 goes in 21, 7 times. Now below, it is whole power. So c power 9, power 1 by 3. 9 into 1 by 3. A power 15, the whole power 1 by 3. So 15 into 1 by 3 goes in 15, 5 times. Okay, so I get this. And now, division. Minus a square divided by a power 5. Same base and division, I am going to subtract the powers. Minus a, 2 minus 5. Division, let's subtract the power into only 1b. So I write b into c power 7 minus 3 because c power 7 divided by c power 3. So c power 7 minus 3. I get minus a. 2 minus 5 is minus 3 into b into 7 minus 3, 4. So I get minus is here itself a power minus 3. How can you write the power positive? A power minus 3 is equal to take the reciprocal of the base 1 by a. So power automatically becomes plus. If base is taken reciprocal, power becomes plus. So minus I keep here itself b into c power 4 minus b c power 4 by a power minus 3 is brought down. It is numerator. When you take the reciprocal, it becomes denominator and the power automatically changes its symbol. So a power minus 3 becomes a power 3. So the answer is minus b c power 4 by a power 3. Option D, minus b c power 4 by a power 3. 28. If n is a perfect cube, then every prime factor of n occurs. See, if 27 is a perfect cube, prime factors of 27, 3 into 3 into 3. So for any perfect cube, its prime factors occurs 3 times. So option C, 3 times. 29. Find the greatest number of 4 digits, which is a perfect square. Greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. I am going to take a square root of it. So pair it from right side. You pair 2, 2. So 2 and 2. You pair 2 numbers. So 99. The nearest square is 81. So 9 nines are 81. 99 minus 81, 18. Bring down 99. 9 plus 9, 18. On putting what? If you put 9, you have to multiply by 9 itself. On putting what number, you come close to this 9. So 189 into 9, 1701. So extra remainder is, on subtraction, you will get 198. So if 198 is excess in 9999, if 198 is taken out from 9999, then 9999 would become, when after subtraction, the answer would become a perfect square. So I subtract. Now this 9801 is a perfect square. So the largest 4-digit perfect square is, 9801. See option D, 9801. If the ratio of ages in years of X and Y 8 years ago is 7:6, then which of the following can be the sum of their ages 8 years from now? So age of X and Y 8 years ago, X 7x because the ratio is 7. Y 6x, the ratio is 7:6. So I write age of X 8 years ago 7x, Y 6x. So their present age X is equal to, this is age before 8 years. So present age 7x plus 8. Y is present age 6x plus 8. Or I'll do one thing. Already we have X. So I consider K. Age of X and Y 8 years ago. Let age of X be 7K. Age of Y be 6K. Because I said 7x and 6x, but it would create a confusion because already X is here. So instead of X, I will use K. We need to use a variable. That's all. A constant we need to use. So a age of X and Y 8 years ago. X is equal to 7K. Y is equal to 6K. Present age. X is equal to 7K plus 8. Y is equal to 6K plus 8. After 8 years. After 8 years, this is their present age. So after 8 years, again a plus 8 plus 8. So X age is equal to 7K plus 8 plus 8, 7K plus 16. Y's age is equal to 6K plus 8 plus 8, 6K plus 16. So sum of their ages after 8 years is equal to, we will add all. So we get 7K plus 6K plus 16 plus 16, 13K plus 32. Possibilities from this is the age, sum of their age after 8 years. So let us take first option A. After 8 years, sum of their ages 13K plus 32. Option A, they have given the sum of the ages as 82. 13K is equal to 82 minus 32. 13K is equal to 50. K is equal to 50 divided by 13 is not possible because ages you have to give in whole numbers. So this is not possible. Now option B, sum of their age after 8 years is 13K plus 32. The sum they have given 97. 13K is equal to 97 minus 32. 13K is equal to 65. K is equal to 65 divided by 13. K is equal to 5. So it is a whole number. So yes, it is possible. Sum of their ages after 8 years is 97. Because K's value we are getting whole number. So this sum is possible. Option B, 97. 31. The age of the boy is 1/5 of the age of his mother. Age of the boy is 1/5 the age of his mother. And sum of the ages of the son and the mother is equal to the age of the father. Note down, son's age is 1/5 of mother and mother's age plus son's age is equal to age of father. After 15 years, the sum of the ages of son and his mother will be 4/3 of his father's age. Find the ratio of the present ages of son, mother and father respectively. After 15 years, note this point, ages of son and mother. Sum of the ages of son and mother will be 4/3 of his father's age. Okay. Now we need to find the ratio of their present ages. See, we shall assume let mother's age be X, present age of mother. Son's age is 1/5 of his mother's age. So 1/5 of X is X by 5. Father's age is sum of mother and son's age. So X plus X by 5. So LCM 5, 5X plus X, 6X by 5. Now, after 15 years, the sum is here. After 15 years, what is the mother's age? Now, mother's age is X. So, after 15 years, X plus 15. Now, son's age is X by 5. So, after 15 years, plus 15. So, son's age after 15 years is equal to LCM 5. X plus 5 into 15, 75. So, X plus 75 by 5. After 15 years, father's age is equal to, what they are saying is 4/3 of the sum of mother and the son's age. Sum of mother and son's age is what? We get X plus 15. After 15 years, what is father's age? Father's age, earlier we found out mother plus son, 6x by 5. This is present age of father. So, after 15 years, present age of father, 6x by 5 plus 15. We get 5, 6x plus 5 into 15, 75. 6x plus 75 by 5. Now, they are saying, after 15 years, what is mother's age? X plus 15. What is son's age? X plus 75 by 5. These two when you add, you will get father's age 6x plus 75 by 5. 4/3 of father's age after 15 years. So, 4/3 of father's age after 15 years. So, we get LCM is 5. 5 into X, 5X. 5 into 15, 75. Now, here you have the denominator 5. So, X plus 75 equal to, I take this 4 inside, 24X plus 4 into 75, 300. 3 into 5, 15. So, we get 5 plus X, 6X plus 75 plus 75, 150 by 5. And here we go, 24X plus 300 by 15. Cross multiplication. When you cross multiply, you will get 15 into 6X plus 150. 5 into 24x plus 300, 15 into 6x, 90x, 15 into 150, 2250, 5 into 24, 120x, 5 into 300, 1500. I keep all the x, I bring all the x to one side and the numbers to one side. So, 2250 minus 1500 equal to 120x minus 90x. We get 750 is equal to 30x. So, x is equal to 30 comes this side, division. 750 divided by 30, 0 cancel, 75 by 3, 25. So, we get x is 25, therefore, mother's age is 25 years. Son's age, 1/5 of mother's age, 25 by 5, 5 years. Father's age, sum of mother and son, so 25 plus 5, 30 years. Now, their ratio, son, mother, father. So, son's age 5 is to, mother's age 25 is to, father's age 30. 5 table goes in all, 1 is to 5 is to 6 is their ratio of present age. So, this is the answer, option C, 1 is to 5 is to 6, 32. This sum is really complicated, please listen. The ratio of the income of P and Q is 5 is to 4. Income, so income we can take it as X. So, 5x, 4x. Well, the ratio of expenditure, okay, spending. 4 is to 3. We shall take expenditure as Y. So, we get 4Y, 3Y. The saving of P is more than that of Q by 16 by 3%. What percent of his income does P spend? Saving of P is more than that of Q. P's saving is more than Q's saving. By how much percentage? 16 by 3%. What percent of his income does P spend? So, spending percentage of P. So, income of P equal to 5x because the ratio is 5. Income of Q is equal to 4x. Ratio is 4. Expenditure of P 4y. Expenditure of Q 3y. Saving of P is equal to income minus expenditure. 5x minus 4y. Saving of Q is equal to 4x minus 3y. They say that saving of P is more than that of Q by 16 2/3%. So saving of P, saving of Q, how can you equate them? To bring Q up to P, to increase Q's saving, to bring Q and P equal, you have to increase Q's saving by 16 2/3%. So P's saving 5x minus 4y equal to Q's saving into 100 plus increase percentage by 100. So Q's saving is 4x minus 3y into 100 plus 16 2/3% by 100. Because that much percentage is P more than Q. So 5x minus 4y is equal to 4x minus 3y into, here you see 48, 50, 100 plus 50 by 3 by 100. So we get 5x minus 4y is equal to 4x minus 3y. This is 350 by 3 by 100. So 350 by 3 into 1 by 100. So 350 by 300. So 5x minus 4y, this is P's saving. This is Q's saving. We are equating to P by increasing 16 2/3%. So 4x minus 3y into 350 by 300, 0, 0 cancel, 5 table, 7 by 6. So 5x minus 4y is equal to 4x minus 3y into 7 by 6. 7 by 6, I multiply 7 with this equation and I take 6 as denominator, I transport, it becomes multiplication. So 6 when it comes to this side, it will become multiplication. So this is how I do. 6 into 5x, 30x, 6 into minus 4y, minus 24y. 4x into 7, 28x, minus 3y into 7, 21y. X all in one side, 30x minus 28x is equal to minus 21y plus minus 24y when transported here becomes plus 24y. 30 minus 28, 2x. 24 minus 21, 3y. Now, so we can equate 3y equal to 2x. Therefore, y is equal to 3 comes this side, 2x by 3. I am writing y in term of x. Here now, starting off the problem, income of P is given as, income of P is equal to 5x. Expenditure of P is equal to 4y. Now, expenditure or spending and expenditure are same. P's spending is equal to 4y, 4 into, in place of y, I put 2x by 3. So, I get 8x by 3. So, income of P is 5x. Spending or expenditure of P is 8x by 3. Now, spending percentage. How do you do the percentage? Spending percentage is equal to spending by total income into 100. Any percentage, to find the percentage, score by total into 100. So, spending percentage, spending is the score, spending by total income into 100. How much we get spending? 8x by 3. We get spending 8x by 3 divided by income is 5x into 100. So, 8x by 3 division becomes multiplication, 5x becomes 1 by 5x into 100. So, x cancel, 5 goes in 120 times. So, we get 8 into 20, 160 by 3, which is 53, 1/3%. So, spending percentage of P is 53, 1/3%. 33. Mohan invested a sum of rupees 12,500 at 12% per compound interest. He received an amount of rupees 15,680 after X years. Then the value of X is dash. Invested a sum. This is principal, rate of interest, amount. We need to find out the number of years. Principal is equal to 12,500, rate of interest is equal to 12%, amount is equal to 15,680, n is equal to x years. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. So 15,680 is equal to principal 12,500 into 1 plus rate of interest 12 by 100. We do not know n. So we write multiplication when it is transported, it becomes division. 15,680 divided by 12,500 is equal to 100 into 1, 100 plus 12, 112 by 100 power n. I am actually prime factorizing everything. So when I prime factorized 15680, I got the result as such. I prime factorized 12,500, 112 and 100. See because now I am going to divide these two. I am going to cut all the common factors, 1, 5 and 1, 5 I cut. 2 2's and 2 2's I cut. So here I am left with 5 power 4. Here I am left with 2 power 4 and 7 power 2. So what I am going to do is 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 25. Here what I am going to do with 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. Again 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. So this one 15,680 by 12,500 I am writing as 28 by 25 the whole square equal to, and this side also 2 into 2 gets cancelled. Now I am left with I am not cancelling here, very sorry children, very sorry, I just want to write in powers of 2. So here what I will do is, yes, I am right, I'll cancel 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 I'll cancel, and I am left with 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 5 5s are 25. Now power, here I have a power n, so I put power n, 28 by 25 power 2, 28 by 25 power n, same base cancel. So n is equal to 2 years. Thus I got n is equal to 2 years. Whenever in compound interest you need to find power n, you have to prime factorize the base and adjust in such a way that you bring a common base. You must bring a common base, so automatically you will get n. Here n is equal to 2 years. 34. Find the compound interest on 1,25,000 for 9 months at 8% per annum compounded quarterly. How many quarterlies are there in a quarter? Years are there in a year? A year divided by 4. There are 12 months divided by 4. Each quarter year is 3 months. So in 9 months, how many quarter years are there? 9 divided by 3. There are 3 quarter years. Find the compound interest on 1,25,000 for 9 months, which means quarterly. So there are 3 quarters in 9 months at 8% per annum compounded quarterly. So this is what I have done. Principal is equal to 1,25,000. N is equal to 9 months. 9 divided by 3, 3 quarter years. Because 1 quarter year is equal to 3 months. So 9 months is equal to 9 divided by 3, 3 quarter years. Rate of interest in case of quarterly, rate divided by 4, because this is 8% per annum. So per quarter there are 4 quarters in an annum. So 8 divided by 4, 2%. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. So we get P 1,25,000 into 1 plus rate 2 by 100 power 3 quarters. So n is 3. So we get 1,25,000 into 102 by 100 power 3, 100 plus 202 by 100 power 3. Added 1,25,000 into 102 into 102 into 102 by 100 into 100 into 100. And I didn't try to cancel anything. I just cancel these 3 zeros, 2 and 1. Now I am left with 125 into I multiplied 102 into 102 into 102. Then with that answer I multiplied 125. Then I divided by 1000 and I am left with 1,32,651. This is the amount. They are asking CI, compound interest, amount minus principal, 1,32,651 minus 1,25,000. I got the compound interest as 7,651. Question number 35. Pipe A can fill a tank in 12 hours and pipe B can empty the tank in 18 hours. Both pipes are opened at 6 a.m. and after some time pipe B is closed and the tank is full at 8 p.m. At what time was the pipe B closed? Here pipe A can fill the tank in 12 hours. Pipe B can empty the tank in 18 hours. Both the pipes are open and after some time pipe B is closed. Okay, both the pipes are opened at 6 a.m. and after some time the pipe B is closed and after a while the tank got filled. The tank was full at 8 p.m. So total what's the time taken to fill the tank? 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. which means 14 hours. It took 14 hours for the tank to get filled. Now we shall find out after how much time pipe B was closed. See here, pipe A can fill the tank in 12 hours. So what happens in 1 hour? What part of the tank is filled in 1 hour? Part of the tank filled by pipe A in 1 hour is equal to 1 by 12. Part of the tank emptied by pipe B in 1 hour. Pipe B can empty the tank in 18 hours. So in 1 hour, what part of the tank is emptied by pipe B? 1 by 18 part is emptied. So in total time taken for the tank to get full, 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. which is 14 hours. So let pipe B be closed after X hours. We do not know because it took, if only pipe A was opened, the tank would have got filled at 12 after 12 hours. Only if pipe A is opened, the tank would have got filled by 12 hours. But pipe B was also opened and that pipe B empties the tank. So due to the opening of pipe B, the tank got filled only by 14 hours. So let us assume that let pipe B be closed after X hours. So in 14 hours, more than one part of the tank can be filled by pipe A. So in 1 hour, pipe A can fill 1 by 12 part of the tank. So in 14 hours, pipe A can fill 14 by 12 part of the tank minus. What happens when pipe B is opened for X hours? In 1 hour, pipe B empties 1 by 18 part of the tank. So in X hours, it empties X by 18 part of the tank. So I am subtracting 14 by 12 minus X by 18. So I get 1 part of the tank filled. That is complete. 1 whole part of the tank get filled in this time. So 14 by 12, I bring plus 1 to, I transport plus 1, it becomes minus 1. Minus X by 8 comes this side, it becomes X by 18. Minus X by 18 transported, X by 18. Hope you understood this equation. This equation says total time taken for the tank to get filled is 14 hours. So what is the job of pipe A? Pipe A in 1 hour it can fill 1 by 12 part of the tank. So in 14 hours it fills 1 by 12 into 14, 14 by 12. More than a tank is filled. Okay. But one tank we have to show complete one tank. Minus the part emptied by pipe B. Which is pipe B can empty 1 by 18 part in 1 hour. So in X hours, X by 18 part. So 14 by 12 minus X by 18. More than one tank is filled minus part emptied by pipe B. So we get one complete tank. Okay. So plus 1 when transported becomes minus 1. Minus X by 18 when transported becomes plus X by 18. So LCM 12, 14 minus 12 into 1, 12 equal to X by 18. Now we get 2 by 12 is equal to X by 18. Cross multiplication. So we get 2 into 18 equal to 12 into X. Which is 36 is equal to 12X. Thus X is equal to 36 divided by 12X, 3 hours. Which means pipe B is closed after 3 hours. Pipe B is closed after 3 hours. 6 a.m. the pipes were opened. 6 a.m. plus 3 hours, 9 a.m. Pipe B is closed at 9 a.m. Question number 36. A car covers 300 km at a constant speed. If its speed was 10 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less to travel the same distance. Find the speed of the car. Actually, the distance is 300 km. A car covers this distance at a constant speed. Okay. Suppose if the speed was 10 km per hour more, then it would have taken 1 hour less to travel the same distance, because when speed increases, time decreases. So we have to find out the speed of the car. See here, distance is equal to 300 km. Let speed of the car, speed 1 be x km per hour. So with x kilometer speed, what is the time taken by the car to cover the distance? Distance divided by speed, 300 divided by x. Suppose the same 300 kilometer, distance same 300 kilometer. Speed now, second speed, suppose the speed had been 10 km per hour more. So earlier the speed was x, now the speed x plus 10 km per hour. Time 2. Time 2 is what? Distance divided by speed. So 300 divided by 10 km per hour is extra here, x plus 10. Now here speed is more, so in this case time is less. Here speed is less, so in this case time is more. So the difference between the two time is 1 hour. Time 1 minus time 2, 1 hour. What is time 1 equation? 300 by x minus time 2 equation 300 by x plus 10. So LCM of x and x plus 10, I have taken their products, x into x plus 10. This is how you take. And in this product, what is not in this denominator? X plus 10 is not here. So I multiply x plus 10 into 300 minus, here in this denominator what is not there? X is not there. So x into 300. So is equal to this one. X into 300, 300x. 10 into 300, 3000. Minus 300 into x, minus 300x by x into x, x square plus x into 10, 10x equal to 1. Now 300x minus 300x gets cancelled. 3000 is equal to, when you take x square plus 10x to the other side, it becomes x square, division becomes multiplication, x square plus 10x. Now I will take 3000 that side, it becomes an identity, x square plus 10x minus 3000. So here product is 3000, sum is 10x. So, and two numbers must be negative numbers. Minus into minus. See, both the numbers. Here the product is 3000 and the sum is plus 10x, which means product is minus. So one number is plus and another number is minus. So the bigger number is plus and the smaller number is minus. So we do x minus 50 into x plus 60. Therefore x is equal to opposite symbol. X is equal to 50 km per hour and here x is equal to minus 60. Normally we don't take minus negative values. So x is equal to 50 km per hour. So speed 1 is 50 km per hour and speed 2 is increased speed is 60 km per hour. 37. Two trains are traveling in opposite direction with speed of 20 meter per second and 30 meter per second respectively. See, when two trains travel in opposite direction like this, one train coming in this direction, another train going in this direction, actually the speed increases. Speed actually increases, okay? One train is 25 meter per second, another train is 30 meter per second. If the length of one train is 30 meter, 300 meter and that of another train is 250 meter. So the total distance is length of train 1 plus length of train 2, 300 plus 250, 550 meters. Find the time taken by train to cross each other. Total speed is equal to 25 plus 30, 55 meter per second. Total length is total distance. Distance is total length of the train, which is 550 meter, because one train is 300 meter and another train is 250 meter, which means 550 meter. Time taken is equal to distance divided by speed, 550 meter divided by 55, 10 seconds. So the two trains take 10 seconds to cross each other. Question number 38. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. There are two digits and sum of the two digits is 9. If 27 is subtracted from the number, then the digits get reversed. Find the number. Let the unit digit be x. Then what is tens digit? Actually two digits, the sum is 9. So if one digit is x, the other digit is 9 minus x. Now expanded form of the original number. Tens digit into 10 plus ones digit into 1. So tens digit is what? 9 minus x into 10 plus ones digit x. X into 1. 9 into 10, 90 minus x into 10 minus 10x. X into 1, x. So we get 90 minus 10x and plus x. When minus and plus comes, we actually subtract 9x and the symbol of this bigger number minus 9x. So 90 minus 9x. Now we are going to reverse the number and then take the expanded form. Reversed number and its expanded form. So when you reverse, this tens place, this comes to the ones place. 9x comes to the ones place. So when you expand 9 minus x into 1, and the unit digit comes to the tens place. So x in unit digit now comes to the tens place. So you multiply with the 10. 10x plus 1 into 9 minus x. 10x plus 9 minus x. 10x minus x, 9x plus 9. So we get, listen, I got the reversed number and its expanded form as 9x plus 9. And the original number expanded form is 90 minus 9x. They say that when 27 is subtracted from the original number is 90 minus 9x, and you subtract 27 from it, you get this reversed number 9x plus 9. Okay. Now, I take all the x to one side and numbers to one side. 90 minus 27 is 63 minus 9x is equal to, here same I copy, 9x plus 9. Now, minus 9x is transported, becomes plus 9x. Plus 9 is transported this side, becomes minus 9. 63 minus 9 is equal to 54 equal to 9x plus 9x, 18x. Yes, here I get 54 is equal to 18x. X is equal to 54 divided by 18, 3. So the number is, x is what? Unit digit. Unit digit is x. And tens digit is 9 minus x. 9 minus 3, 6. So the number is 63. Question number 39. There are some 4-wheelers and 6-wheelers in a garage. The total number of wheels of these vehicles is 120. Total number of wheels. Okay. The number of 4-wheelers is 3 by 2 times the number of 6-wheelers. Find the number of 6-wheelers in the garage. Question number 39. Let the number of 6-wheelers be x. So number of 4-wheelers is equal to, 4-wheelers they say 3 by 2 times the 6-wheelers. So 3 by 2 into x, 3x by 2. Number of 6-wheelers x. So the 4-wheelers 3 by 2 times the 6-wheelers, 3x by 2. Let us find the number of wheels. 6-wheelers have 6 wheels. So total number of wheel is equal to 6 into x. 4-wheelers have 4 wheels. So total number of wheels is equal to 4 into 3x by 2. See here 6-wheelers 6 into x plus, because there are x number of 6-wheelers. How many wheels are there? 6 wheels. So 6 into x plus number of 4-wheelers 3x by 2 into number of wheels into 4. 2 goes here 2 times. 3x into 2, 6x. So total number of wheels they have given 120. 6x plus 6x, 120. 12x is equal to 120. X is equal to 120 divided by 12. Now x is equal to 10. X means what? Number of 6-wheelers. So number of 6-wheelers is 10. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Minimum number of sides, minimum interior angle. Okay. So, 48th question. Polygon with minimum number of sides, triangle. What is a regular triangle? Equilateral triangle. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So, the minimum interior angle possible for a polygon is 60 degree. 41. What's the number of diagonals in a hexagon? There is a formula to find out the number of diagonals in a polygon. We shall see what's the formula. Question number 41. Number of diagonals, the formula says n into n minus 3 by 2, where n is the number of sides of that polygon. Hexagon is a 6-sided polygon. So n we apply 6. 6 into 6 minus 3 by 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 into 3, 18 by 2, 9 diagonals. So there are 9 diagonals in a hexagon. Question number 42. In the adjacent figure, the bisector of angle A. See, can you see here angle A? Angle B. Bisector of angle A means this is the bisector. It divides the angle A into 2 equal parts. and B, the bisector of B, this is the bisector of PB is the bisector of angle B. It divides angle B into two equal parts. Okay. So bisector of angle A, PA, bisector of angle B, PB. It meets at point P. If angle C is 100 degree and angle D is 60 degree, find the measure of angle APB. First of all, what is the figure? The figure is a quadrilateral, four-sided figure quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has four angles and sum of the measure of four angles of a quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Okay. Now I will show you how to solve it. Question number 42, we shall see how to solve the sum. Sum of the measure of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 360 degree. In the question they have given angle C and angle D. What is angle C and angle D? 160. So we get angle A plus angle B plus angle C and angle D is 160 equal to 360. And we take separately angle A plus angle B is equal to 360 minus 160, 200. So angle A plus angle B is 200. Now they are bisecting both angle A and angle B. That line AP and BP bisect, no? So half of angle A plus half of angle B plus P. See here a triangle is formed. Can you see? So this is bisectors. So half of angle A plus half of angle B plus this P, angle APB is equal to 180 degree because it forms a triangle. So see here, half of angle A plus half of angle B plus P is equal to angle P. Okay, I meant to say 180 degree. So I take half common outside. Half angle A plus angle B plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B we got here 200. So half of it is 100. 100 plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. So angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Angle P is equal to 80 degree. APB, angle APB is equal to 80 degree. Question number 43. A square and a rectangle each have a perimeter of 40 meter. Perimeter, length of the boundary. The square's perimeter is also 40 meter and the rectangle's perimeter is also 40 meter. You know one important thing? When perimeter of a square and rectangle are same, when you compare the area, always the area of a square is greater than that of the area of a rectangle if the perimeter of the square and the rectangles are same. Square and rectangle perimeter is same and whose area is greater? Always the area of square is greater. Okay, that's the important point that you have to note here. The difference between the areas of the two figures, which means area of square minus area of rectangle is equal to 9 meter square. What are the possible dimensions of the rectangle? So dimensions of the rectangle we are going to find out. 43. Perimeter of square is equal to 40 meter. Side of the square is equal to perimeter divided by 4, 40 divided by 4, 10 meter. Okay, we got the side of the square. Okay. Now, perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B is equal to 40. So, L plus B is equal to 2, it comes here division 40 divided by 2, 20 meter. So, length and breadth sum is 20 meter. See here. Difference between the areas. So I told you always area of a square is greater when perimeter of both the figures are same. Okay. This point must be noted in this question. So area of square is side square minus area of rectangle is length into breadth is equal to, the difference is given in the question as 9. So 10 square minus LB is equal to 9. 10 square is what? 100 minus LB is equal to 9. So 100, I take 9 this side, so minus 9, minus LB comes this side, it is LB. 100 minus 9 is what? 91. Length into breadth is 91, which means the product of two number is 91. How can you get? Obviously, 13 sevens are 91. So I can take 91 is equal to 13 into 7. Just apply common sense. So length is 13 meter, breadth is 7 meter. The possible dimension, so we shall check in the option. Option A, 13 meter, 7 meter. 44. In a parallelogram, ABCD, AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, AC equal to 7 centimeter. Find the perpendicular distance between AB and CD. I'll draw a diagram and make you understand this. See, I'll first make you understand the diagram. Parallelogram A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now they have given AB equal to 6 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, AC is a diagonal. Diagonal is equal to 7 centimeter. They are asking the perpendicular distance between C and one side. So the perpendicular distance between AB and the side CD. So the perpendicular distance between AB and CD, this is the perpendicular distance. Okay. Here you just see this is a triangle. Can you see a triangle here with 3 sides? What is the area of a triangle with the 3 sides? Area of triangle ACB. Can you see ACB here? ACB. So area of triangle ACB I find first. So area of a scalene triangle given all the 3 sides. Formula says square root of semi-perimeter. That is side A plus B plus C by 2. Half of the perimeter is called a semi-perimeter. So square root of semi-perimeter into semi-perimeter minus A, which is first side, into semi-perimeter minus B, semi-perimeter minus C. So which is semi-perimeter, we got, see here, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 7, 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. So semi-perimeter is 9. And first side, difference between the semi-perimeter and first side. First side is 6. So 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. So we get 9 into square root of 9 into 3 into 2 into 4. I prime factorize everything. So I get 9 as 3 into 3 and here are 3 into 2 into and 4 I can write 2 into 2. When you take square root, for 2 3's I take 1, 3 into 2, 6. And here you don't have pair. So 3 2's are 6. 6 root 6 centimeter square. This is the area. Now area of triangle ACB, we can also write another formula for area of a triangle. A general formula for area of a triangle is half base into height. So here I assume the area of triangle ACB. ACB namakku erkanave kedachirichu 6 root 6 and I apply in this formula half. Base I take. Inga base vandu 6 centimeter. In the triangle paranga base. Now this is the triangle. I got the area of the triangle. In the triangle kanakku area kadachirichu, but I am substituting with another formula half BH. Inga base enadhu 6 and height is what? This is height. CM is height. Okay. So I'll get, by substituting that formula, I'll get the height. So half base into height is Y. I took in the figure height is Y. So 2 goes in 6 3 times. I bring 3 this side. Division 6 root 6 by 3, which is Y is equal to 3 goes in 6 2 times 2 root 6 centimeter. Y, the height is equal to 2 root 6 centimeter. 45th question. Some cubic meters of earth is dug out to sink a well. A well is dug out and some earth is taken out from the well, which is 16 meter deep and which has a radius 3.5 meter. Radius of the well is 3.5 meter. Depth of the well, we take it as height, which is 16 meter. If the amount of earth when taken out is spread over a rectangular plot of dimension 25 meter into 16 meter, what is the height of the platforms so formed? Actually, a cylindrical well is dug and that mud taken out, the earth taken out is spread to form a rectangular plot. We need to find the height of the plot. Here the basic concept is volume of the well is equal to volume of the rectangular plot. See, volume of the well dug out is spread out to form a rectangular plot. So both the volumes are same. Volume of rectangular plot is length into breadth into height. And height is given here as 16 meter. Radius of the well 3.5 meter. Volume of the well pi r squared h. Pi value 22 by 7 into r squared. 3.5 into 3.5 into height 16 equal to length 25 meter. into breadth of the rectangular plot 16 into height we don't know. H is equal to take everything to this side. It becomes reciprocal. So we get 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 16 into reciprocal 1 by 25 and reciprocal of 16 1 by 16. Well, 7 goes here in 3.5 0.5 times. Now 5 goes here 5 times, 5 goes here 0.7 times. And so 16 and 16 gets cancelled. And 22 into 1 22 and 0.1 2.2 into 0.7 is equal to H. So H is equal to 1.54 meter. Height of the rectangular plot is 1.54 meter. 46th question. What is the difference between the total surface area TSA and curved surface area of a cylinder whose radius is equal to 10 centimeter? See, radius is given as 10 centimeter. TSA of a cylinder formula 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. 2 base area plus CSA. So 2 pi r common in both. So 2 pi r into r plus h. We get 2 pi r is 10 into r plus h. Okay, 2 pi r plus h. 2 into 10, 20. 2 into 10, 20 pi r plus h. And CSA formula 2 pi r h. 2 pi r is 10 into height 20 pi h. TSA and CSA difference. TSA minus CSA is what? That is the question. So TSA I got 20 pi r plus h minus CSA I got 20 pi h. Well, I take this 20 inside, okay. Up 20 pi r plus 20 pi h. 20 pi r plus 20 pi h minus 20 pi h. 20 pi h gets cancelled and I get 20 pi r. So 20 into pi into r is 10. 20 into 10, 200 pi centimeter square. So the difference between the TSA and CSA is 200 pi centimeter square. Can you see option A, 200 pi centimeter square? 47th question. The mean of 6 numbers is 15. Mean means average. Average of 6 numbers is 15. If 2 is taken away from every number, the new mean would be dash. See, first average. Average is equal to 15. Number of items, 6 items. So sum is equal to average into number of items. 15 into 6 numbers. 15 6 are 90. This is sum 1. Now 2 is subtracted from every number. Sum 2 is equal to sum 1 minus totally 6 numbers are there. So from each number 2 is subtracted. So 6 into 2, 12 is actually subtracted. So earlier the old sum is 90 minus 12, I get 78, sum 2. So average 2, the new average is equal to new sum divided by number of items. That is 78 divided by 6, 13. So after deducting 2 from every number, the new average is 13. Option A, 13. 48. The sides of the triangle are 45 centimeter, 60 centimeter and 75 centimeter. Find the length drawn to the longest side from its opposite vertex. 3 sides of the triangle is given. So I want to check whether the triangle is a right triangle or not. So if it is, how can I check it is a right triangle or not? Check for Pythagoras triplet. So the longest side is 75 and the other 2 sides are 45 and 60. What is the check for right triangle? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So I do one thing. 75 square is 5625. 45 square plus 60 square. It must be equal, okay? 45 square is 20,025. Sorry, 2025 plus 60 square is 3600. So when I add, yes, I am getting both sides equal. The longest side, hypotenuse is equal to base square plus altitude square. Here also 5625, here also 5625. So the triangle is a right triangle. So I draw the triangle, a right triangle, and I take base 60, height, altitude 45, hypotenuse 75. They are saying the line drawn from the opposite vertex to the longest side. Opposite vertex to the longest side is what? So we shall find out here how I am finding out. See, listen. Area of the triangle is equal to half base into height. Half base is 60 into height is 45. So I get area of the triangle as 1350 centimeter square. So when I get 1350 centimeter square, area, suppose I can also find, here in this case I found out area using half base into height. In this case I took base and height as this is the base and this is the height. Again I am going to find the area for the same triangle, but this time I am going to change the base and height. This time I am going to take the base as 75 and this height I am going to find out. Okay, you hope you understood. This time this is my base and this is my height. Now I will apply the formula. Area is equal to half 75 into h. Area I already got. I have got the area as 1350 into half into 75 into h. So h is equal to half comes this side, reciprocal into 2, 75 comes division. So on cancelling out, I'll get height is equal to 36 centimeter. So the height drawn from the opposite vertex to the longest side of the triangle is 36 centimeter. 49th question, in the following figure, find the value of y. What is the figure? A triangle is given. And see, listen please carefully. You know these two small dashes, it indicates RS equal to PR. These two sides are equal. That is what these two small lines indicate. So when these two sides are equal, then this triangle becomes an equilateral triangle. I'll draw and show you. See, when these two sides are equal, then the triangle is called a equilateral triangle. And the base angles of the equal sides are also equal. Base angles of the equal sides. See, these two are equal sides and their base angles. If this is 25 degree, then this angle is also 25 degree. This angle is also 25 degree. Now we can find y easily because sum of the measure of three angles in a triangle is always 180 degree. So here 25 plus 25, 50, this is 60 plus 25, 85. So 85 plus 25, take away the sum from 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 25 plus 85. And we get 180 minus 110. Y is equal to 70 degree. See, option D, 70 degree is the answer. 50th question. A cylindrical tank has capacity, which means volume. Volume 5632 meter cube. If the diameter of the base is 16 meter, find its depth. Volume of the tank is given as 5632 meter cube. Diameter is 16 meters. So the radius is 16 divided by 2, 8 meter. We need to find the height. Volume is equal to pi r squared h. 5632, this is the volume, equal to pi 22 by 7 into r, 8 into 8 into h. I keep h as such and I take the rest of the thing I transport. All of them will become reciprocal because they are in multiplication. So we get 5632 into reciprocal here 7 by 22 into 1 by 8 into 1 by 8. On cancelling out, we get h is equal to 28 meter. A is the answer, 28 meter. That's all. We have completely discussed 2020 maths question paper. Thanks for watching.